kick. How long is the trail? Steering is, man, so too easy to turn the thing. runs excellent. The problem was the ignition. And the bike runs really well. It's really powerful. It has a hard hit to it. It's so light, and it turns so easily. It just turns on a dime. And the steering is kind of hard to get used to because it's so sensitive. Yeah, it's almost like you'd need it. I was kind of scared to go on some of those rocks because you really got to hold on to the steering wheel because it's just so sensitive to turn. And the thing just turns so easily. You're going up those climbs and everything. I mean, so it was an awesome bike. I think it's one of the best bikes. One of the best Maicos, definitely. It's one of the rarest. So, when I was going up some of those hill climbs, I noticed that I was getting some issue. Like every once in a while, the back tire would feel like it was getting stuck or wasn't moving. And I found there was a couple problems going on. One was it was getting stuck in this thing here, was moved around, it was getting stuck in there. And so that needs to be fixed up. The next thing needs to be fixed up. Then you get the new roller for there. Well, draining off fluids because both brakes, front and back, started locking up. And then the last thing that happened is it blew out the back wheel bearing. So that was causing most of my problem. The wheel bearing started to blow out. You can see it moves back and forth like that. And you can see this thing got real chewed up. It blew out the ball bearings completely. Went inside the engine here, grooved it up. Luckily, well, the inside is all grooved up. Does not look like it grooved up the location where the actual thing goes. So it's, I mean, nothing goes on the inside of this, so I can easily just grind this up and make it pretty again. There's nothing on the inside that was messed up. The bearing seat is still where it goes. It's not messed up. It's just the inside here. So it's not going to be too bad to clean it up. I mean, I do have another tire even, but yeah, bearing's busted. My back brakes are locking up.